If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello, good morning, Advi. How are you?
Yeah, good evening, Abhinav. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So far, so well. My voice is okay?
Yes.
Okay, cool. If you want, you can share your screen.
Okay. So I have a lot of questions.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Um, okay. So I went through session 7, session 8, which was of Friday, is
Mm-hmm.
available now, but till yesterday night it was not.
Oh,
So
okay.
I could not go through it. And then I have confusion in the Impex files.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Few things like I was not able to see the to-do list for those files.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I pinged about that and file, right?
And file, yes. That is, there is some issues there, but for time being, to complete the exercise and workshop and everything, we have to
Mm.
take it from the preparation. Okay,
Yeah.
we have to
No,
keep it.
I'm just trying to understand because it was there in the instructions, right? So
Mm-hmm.
is it like you kind of try to create a script which we can run and it will have everything
Yes,
ready?
yes,
Okay.
correct.
Okay. But I did not execute that.
Mhm.
You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes, I can see.
So I was able to do only this change to add mystery. Okay.
Okay.
So I did that, but I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not able to understand how the flow of the data goes till Impex file, right? We
Mm-hmm.
discussed a lot of. Let me show in my IntelliJ. Okay.
But okay, uh, let me ask you some one questions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I will be changing some pattern very soon. So whatever I will be giving you the information, or I will be sharing with you knowledge and everything. So the
Mm-hmm.
next day for 10 minute session, it will be reverse. Okay, reverse in the sense I will be asking you the questions and you need to
Mm.
answer that. Okay, and
Okay.
in case if I found you that you are not able to answer that, so I will make a note and I will answer that one by one. So this
Okay.
will be like a two-way communication, right?
Correct. Yes.
Give and take. Otherwise, what's
Mm.
happening here? I am just giving, but something is not in coming in the return actually. Okay,
Mm.
so we will go with the reverse session also after every next day for 5 to 10 minutes. I will be asking questions, everything, and you have to answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we will
Okay.
start from today itself. Why to wait for tomorrow? Okay,
Mm.
tomorrow never comes. So yeah, so you understood the product types classification. Can you give me some idea what's your understanding is?
So product type is we are kind of defining our data model or data structure.
Correct.
Uh, so
Mm-hmm.
in that we define it in the XML. Like for this one, we are defining in bookstore core item XML.
Correct.
In, we are mentioning our table structure with the attributes or the columns of that table. And if there
Perfect.
are any relations, we are
Mhm.
defining that.
Can you explain me the product type with some real-time examples? Something?
Uh, so, if we consider the example of book, we
No,
have
other than book, something else.
so if we have apparels, so that
No,
is
other
one.
than apparels,
Mm, any electronic products are there, then we
electronics
have.
also no, something else. Because you know this all things, right? I
Okay.
want to pick up with something real time, means which is surrounding you.
If I want to go with stationery items, if I
Yes,
want to go with
perfect.
grocery,
Stationery. Stationery or whatever your
I would say grocery.
groceries. Perfect. So I will
Then
take it. I will take it as a grocery as a product type,
mhm.
and in the grocery, what attributes you will define?
So in grocery, I can define type of grocery, its ID. The type will have like if it is a food item or a non-edible item,
Correct.
something like that.
Good, good. Very good. Actually, why I have discussed this apparel and this all, because you already know this all things in the
Mhm.
PPTs that you have seen this. So
Right.
I was thinking that you should pick up something in the real time. Okay, let me mold in this way. The real time example is, so I am with me surroundings. I am seeing laptop is there, iPhones are there, headphones are there, microphone is there. Okay, I will pick
Mhm.
up the real time example like laptop. Okay, so laptop will be the product type, and the laptop I will be defining laptop ID, descriptions, and the attributes I will put something keyboard names or in the microphone name, something like this. I will do the product modeling on basic level.
When we are refining our details, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, now this is a product modeling. It's a very basic one, laptop and everything. Now I'm going to classify this. I'm going to break this into the feature actually. Laptop can be Dell, it can be Apple, it can be HP or Lenovo. So this is the classifying. I'm just classifying the attributes, everything. Okay. So
Mhm.
I just broke the product into classification.
So I'm just trying to understand, like
Yes, please.
laptop, microphone, all that will be data modeling, right?
Mhm.
And then if you are classifying laptop to finer level, that will be product modeling. So laptop is one of the product for which you are now classifying it more into
Yes. I am
Dell.
Yes, I'm refining this more. Laptop
Hmm.
is a category, is a product category, product type. Now I am going to go for the Dell or Apple or Lenovo. So I'm classifying this, right?
So that is product modeling.
Yes,
Okay. Hmm.
it's an advanced level of product modeling. The basic is what? Basic is I have taken the product chosen laptop, laptop ID, laptop description. This is a very basic level. We're defining the attributes for laptop. Now
Hmm.
I'm just breaking this into advanced level. Laptop can be Dell also, it can be uh, Apple also, and other companies also like this. So I'm just classifying. Now you understood the difference is classifying. What is the
Yeah.
meaning of
I
that?
mean, this I was able to understand, but when it comes to the coding thing, right, the flow
Uh,
in the code,
mhm.
that I was not able to understand completely.
No worries. We will make you understand. See, every product is having some category, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like a laptop is having one category called hardware. We can say hardware, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you can see in your screen, the categories are there. So we have to define the categories and we need to associate the product with the category. And like this, we can define all the attributes and all. Right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, like in the last exercise two, right?
Mhm.
Our flow was going into build, I mean, bookstore core build.xml, right?
Correct.
Items.xml. Here, we were
Yes.
defining everything here, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, for the product modeling, we had the initial data wherein here we have core data and
More
sample,
data. Sample
right?
data. Correct.
Now, in this, when I,
Bookstore content catalog.
yes, so this was there and it had these Impex file
Yes.
and
You
this
need,
is EN Impex file. What is the difference between these two?
yes. Catalog and catalog underscore en. So catalog is like it will be having very what to say. Can you expand this line number 9 and line number 13 also? The difference between catalog underscore catalog en. And I will take one more example, catalog underscore DN also, or maybe some other languages. So
Mm-hmm.
here we are defining the structure, right? As I told you in my previous session, we have to define our own content catalog and product catalog, right? And our contents will be persist in this catalogs. Like I gave you an example, like we have multiple restaurants, right? Every restaurant is having their booklet, brochures for all the menu and everything. So that is called catalog, right? And every restaurant having different recipes,
Correct.
right? So here, in the our technical term, we have the electronics content catalog, right? Apparel content catalog. But
Mm-hmm.
now we have created our own bookstore front, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it must be having its own catalogs, right? Books, content catalogs, books, product catalog. So we will associate our contents with this content catalog, and this will going to display into our homepage, into the storefront. So basically, into catalog.impacts, we are defining our content catalog, name and everything. So
Okay.
here, language is EN is there. So
Mm-hmm.
as I told you, we can transform the storefront into the 18 language, right? So tomorrow you want to instead of EN, you want to use some German language or Japanese language.
Mm-hmm.
So in line number six, in the macros lang, you have given the EN, right? So
Right.
if you go for the Japanese or Indonesia, like Bahasa language is there, so you can put the BH. For Japanese, you can put like a JP. So we are in the catalog dot impacts. We are basically defining the very basic skeleton. That's
Hmm. So if we have more than one stores,
Mhm.
so this only will no, okay. Okay,
If
then
you,
it will
yeah,
have different initial data, and in that we will have different catalog impacts. So this
correct,
catalog impacts will only have data for bookstore. Okay.
correct.
Okay.
So if we can go to back office inside the category or catalogs, you can see there are electronics content catalog are there. So our product is associated with that one. Okay. After that, must be apparel content catalog. So with that, some content must be associated. Once we execute this one, this impacts cat this categories dot which one you have showed me, right? So once we execute this, so you will get one more catalog, books content catalog. And for this content catalog, we will link our all the contents. Understood?
Okay. And
No, one second, I am not seeing confidence. Tell me where is the doubt? So let me repeat again. In
yeah.
this category or the impacts file, here we are defining the basic skeleton. Skeleton in the sense we are defining our content catalog, and the macros and stage and online version everything. Once we have run this, then it will become to in our system. After that, for catalog category underscore em, we are defining there all the contents and everything.
In this, right? That's
Yes.
what you are saying. We'll refine it further in this file.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And where does this exist? Like, um,
No, no. This is just the name actually. Okay. Can you escape this with escape key?
mhm.
This is just line number four where the macros are there. Content catalog is equals to book store content. This is like just like a name actually. With this name, we will associate our contents. Okay,
Oh.
let me put in this way. So in our SAP, at a time, we can run around 4 to 5 content catalog. Electronics content catalog also there. Okay, apparel also there. If you want to build your own bookstore content catalog, that also can be run. But
Mm-hmm.
for every content catalog, our content will be different
Correct.
because business is different, right? For electronics, that is they are selling electronics good, right? For
Mm-hmm.
book storefront, we will be selling our books only. So of course, content will be different, right?
Mm-hmm.
The same
Yes.
it is here. Your server is up.
Yes.
Can you can you can you take me to the back office? Let me solve your doubts there. Sir. Can you take me
Okay.
to back office, please?
It'll take some time to start, right?
Yeah, in the first time go, it takes some time actually.
So, okay. Another thing, how do we interpret this insert update? Like we are allowing insert and update both for those tables
Yes, this is the basically format is there.
format.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the format is there, insert underscore update.
Mm-hmm.
But if you simply wants to go with only one single one, insert content catalog, that also will work. But here the format is insert underscore update, and there we have to provide our all the column names, attributes name, and the down we have to define their values.
Where we are defining the.
In line number
Mhm.
8, we are putting our insert update content catalog ID unique to true. Okay. And
Mhm.
line number 9, we will be defining all the values, right? If you can see the macros we have defined there, right? See, if you click on line number 9, so reflection is coming in line number 4, bookstore content catalog. After that, you can put a semicolon and we'll keep giving the values there. Okay, you do one thing. You do one thing. Can you go to your item.xml bookstore core hyphen item.xml? Yeah, yes. Can you show me where you have done the data modeling for the bookstore book? I mean to say book model.
Here.
Yeah. Can you copy this book only? Line number 115. Line number 116, I
Six.
guess. Yeah. Only type copy only book only book.
Okay.
Only book.
Okay.
Copy. Cool. Now go back to your impacts, that category.
Catalog
Good.
impact.
Yes. Good shortcuts. Good. Okay. After line number 15, can you keep some space? Hmm.
Okay.
Now you can type here insert underscore update. Okay. Space. Your control V. Paste it here. Okay. After that, you can provide the semicolon. And what is your next attribute there? Addition or publication? Yeah, copy this.
Addition.
Addition and yes, yeah, copy here, paste it here. Yeah, and that semicolon. And what is your publication? Copy. Yeah, yes. After that, press enter.
We need semicolon, right?
Semicolon. I don't think this is required. You will see. Okay. Now here for the book, after that addition is a string value. Input here some string value test one.
In quotes.
Huh. No, simple. Give the semicolon first
Okay.
before test semicolon. Okay. Yeah. So addition value is done. Okay. After that, again semicolon. The publication is the integer, right? So you can put here 1, 2, 3. Right. So this is the query you have formed. Then you can go to HAC and run this one.
Okay. So
So
this is
this is
one entry.
yes.
Okay.
So there are two kinds of catalogs here, catalog aware and catalog unaware. So this is called catalog unaware. Unaware, why this is unaware? Because if you can see, there's a no catalog is associate, bookstore content catalog. It is not there. So this is called bookstore, this is called catalog unaware. We are not
This
syncing
one.
because we are not syncing anything with stage to online. Okay. One more example of catalog unaware is if you can see the country or region. So country is regardless of any content catalog, right? We don't want any content catalog or syncing and everything. For every country, this will be in the list, it will show, right? That is called catalog unaware. And second is catalog aware. Catalog aware means if you can see other that uh, can you click on a catalog underscore en dot impex? See, yes, this one. Yes, update is there. Yes, this is called uh, catalog aware. If you can see, there's a bookstore content catalog name is there. So here we are syncing and we are associating some value to bookstore content catalog. So this is called catalog aware.
Okay. So here what we define this thing.
Hmm.
This is catalog unaware
Yes,
because we are not linking it to anything and we are defining the data here itself.
yes. So once we execute this one, and you want to display this data, test 1, 2, 3 or test edition. So this is not specific to any catalog. So in every store, in electronic store also this content you can see, and in apparel also you can see, and the bookstore also you can see, because this is not associated with any specific to content catalog, right?
Mhm.
For
Okay.
example, if you can go to any showroom, like if you went to an electronic showroom, so they are giving some catalogs, right? So some of the catalog which is associated with the television, some of the catalog which is associated with the phone only, right? And some of the catalog which are associated with other electronic appliance. So catalog is different catalog is there, with different catalog, different items are associated, right? because because whatever we have the television catalog, we cannot match up with the phone one, right?
Mm-hmm.
You understand the
Yeah.
concept of catalogs?
Yes. So based on what showroom we are selecting, it will pick up the data from that particular catalog.
Correct, correct,
So this is basically we are making it aware that this particular catalog is for bookstore.
correct.
Okay. But here we are explicitly defining.
Yes. So if you want to associate with the bookstore content catalog, so you have to define their macros. So in some of the impacts, their format must be there, right? So you can
Mhm.
pick up from there and you can write the synchronized one. So I'm just line number 16 and 17. I just giving you the understanding how the impacts works, how the catalog item works, and how the catalog unaware items are working.
So here if I am trying to understand what exactly like how will we interpret this code if I want to read. So mm, this is these
Mhm.
are the tables, I mean the attributes of the
Attributes, correct.
so catalog version is what?
Catalog version is also defined into some of one of the item.xml. Okay, so can you
Okay.
select this?
Because
No,
okay.
select this and say Control H. Double click on catalog version, Control H, and in the file mask use only XML. Yeah, can you go? Can you click on down or up? Use the up and down arrow key, up and down arrow key in your. No, 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 not like this. Say Control H again, and with the click in down, yeah, up and down scroll key. Yes, yes, like this, and find it
Yes.
out somewhere. Catalog version. Go fast, actually. Yeah. Okay.
This is the
Go
column.
for. Okay. Can you click on this match cases and word only and upstairs? Can you click that one? It will filter the mode result. Only this much. Okay. Can you come down first, fast, fast? Active types, item types, context type, item. come down. Like we have defined item type code equals to book, right? The same it must be defined somewhere.
Is it this personalization services item?
Yes. Okay. You do one thing. Okay, go down very fast. For every table, there must be some data modeling. Okay, what you can do, can you go back to your copy this catalog, this one, Control C. Okay, copy this, Control C. Go back to item.xml.
Bookstore?
Click over here. Yeah, just keep it in the book. Copy or at the book, line number 116. Yeah, paste it here. And copy from catalog one into item types. No, in that item.xml only.
Item, this one?
Can you give me control? I will quickly show you how to.
Sure.
Where is the request remote control? So this is the one item types. They are defined somewhere. Copy this. Yeah. Now say Control H. Yeah.
Catalog items. Right?
Okay. So this is the OTB. Did you see that? Okay. So as you can see, and you cannot type anything here. Can you click here somewhere to edit something? Can you type here 1, 2, 3, write something 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's a read-only file only. You cannot write it because it's out of the box actually. So okay, so whatever you are seeing into the Impex file, whatever tables are there, okay. So there is a data modeling for this. If you can see, this is here catalog. What is the one table, and for this, these are the attributes are there. Active, version. See, multiple attributes are there. Whichever we need that one, utilize that one. Okay, so for example, in some of the project they want some multi-currency project also. So I mean to say the currency should be multiple, must be there. Like if I showed in the storefront, there's a USD is there, yen currency also there. Tomorrow want to transform from 4 to 5 currency, so that time you can use this one, default currency one. Got it? So this much attributes are they are defining: catalog system name, system ID.
Okay.
So where is your
now? We made changes in bookstore code, right?
first of all, we will revert this, otherwise, okay. Just for filter the result for search result, I have using this one. Where is the categories?
The catalog Impex.
I think one of the impacts you have showed me. Where is that impact? See, catalog this one. Version was there, active was there. Did you see that?
Yes.
Languages.
Only these three attributes for that catalog.
Yeah, we are, because we want only these three attributes only, right? Language also must be there somewhere. It must be somewhere.
Yes, I got it.
So if someone wants to go with some currency one, so you can say here like this, comma, default currency, that one. From there you can pick up.
Okay, yes. And in the next line, we have corresponding values.
Yes, corresponding value, correct.
So this
These
is
are the macros we can define like this. Page version, online version. Got it? So can you show me your book? And one more thing is, if you think it's easy, then it will be easy. And if you think this is complicated, then it's always be complicated for you.
initially it will be complicated till I understand.
So it's taking some time, right? It's
Yeah,
not like this. It is we have taken the trainings and they have given this all the documentation part and data modeling and we started. No, it's taking some time actually.
correct. Yeah.
But if you keep doing continuous practice, then only it can be beneficial.
Right.
Simply saying it's a complicated will never work actually. We have to transform the complication into the easiest one.
It is simple. And for that, I mean, I, I need to understand. If I don't understand,
Yes.
I don't get that.
Yes, the main object is that you should understand the concept. For example, just like you asked me, right? Here, what is this? What is this? So I have gone to item.xml. I just showcase you. This is how it's working, right? You should know the this concept of this one, right?
Right.
If you understood the concept of this one, okay, the moment you will see, so you can understand. Okay, this is the data modeling has been done somewhere. ID must be defined into item.xml. Go to this, there are some item.xml must be there. Now I need to do some data modeling for my customization. So you will do like this. The moment you will see book is there, so you will immediately think this must be defined to item.xml is all the attributes, right?
Yes.
Because
I mean,
simply
now
copy paste.
I understand this a little bit. Otherwise, it's a. I mean, I was not able to understand what is
So
written.
the way you are explaining me the things in the initial in the beginning of the session, you understood most of things actually.
I did not. That's what I'm saying. Data modeling, I got it, but product modeling, I was not able to
It will take
understand.
some time. So
Yes.
right now this is your first exercise, right?
Hmm.
So there are a couple of more simple exercises I will give you, so you will get the grip on that.
Okay.
Okay. So now I was saying,
So that unaware catalog definition, that will be available in all storefronts in the application.
there is a catalog unaware means where we are not syncing with any content catalogs. It's a directly on the fly. For example, country, region, like this. So catalogs, if you click on this, did you see that? See, electronics content catalog is there, classifications are there, electronic product catalogs are there, right? I'm just clicking on search, right?
These are inbuilt or out of box.
Inbuilt, yes, out of the box. Now, if you want to define our own catalogs, so we have already defined into here, this one. Now, what we have to do is we have to take this, okay, Control C, copy this, and go to HAC. You can just keep eyes over here, okay? Right now, the 7 items are there, okay?
You are in back office, right?
Yeah, I'm into back office. Now I will go to HAC, okay? I'm typing here admin name. Okay, and for every content catalog, content will be different, right? For electronics, content will be different. For apparel, content will be different, right? As I told you, if we have television, that browser, so there will be only television product must be there, right? We cannot mix the television with the phone.
Mhm. So
Now I will
each
go.
storefront has these three catalogs associated in back office. Like one was configuration, one was classification,
Yes, it will be
one
there.
something else. So there will be three entries for each storefront.
It depends on if you go. Generally, what's happening is that when we go for the real-time projects, everything, they are removing this everything, electronics, apparel, everything, and they're putting their own product catalogs with that name. I'm going to paste it here. Okay.
Where did we go exactly?
So right now here is only 7 items are here. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I'm putting my own content catalog. So I
Where
went
did
to
we put this?
I
Okay,
went to
console.
console, impacts like this. So
Okay.
in your available time, you just go to this all the options: configure, SQL, license, support, PK. This one in console, go to this LDAP, impact, export, impacts import, flexible search, scripting language. This is basically for the Groovy script. Go to maintenance. See here all the cleanup and everything. Go to monitoring. Here you see cron jobs, database, and all that. You have to export this more and more option functionality. Okay. Now I'm going to validate this contents. The contents are valid. Now I'm going to import this. Let's see.
How do we see that the content is valid? If we get any,
Here one message is displayed, no valid contents or not. So I just click on the impact import on this one.
mhm.
Yeah, it is successful. Okay. Now if you can see here 7 items was there, right?
Mhm.
I'm going to click on this. 8 came. 8 came means your
Oh,
bookstore content catalog is keep. Now with this content catalog, we have to hook our content. So in electronics one television will come, apparel one clothes will come. In the books content catalog, our books information will come. If you want to build your own store front.
okay.
7 was
So
there, 8 is came.
why we had to import in HAC?
Because see, if you will not import through the Impex file over here, your data will not come here. We can achieve the same job from here also. You can click on plus button, it will come. But from the developer end, we have to do this everything from the Impex itself. That's the reason we are doing from HAC. The reason is that we can. Reason is that okay, I have done from here. I have clicked on add. I have added my all the contents catalogs. Okay. Now here I have done everything. Okay. Now think about it. There are multiple environments are there. Dev environment, QA environment, QAT environment, UAT environment, pre-prod production. Like 5 environments are there. Are you going to click on every time for 5 environment plus icon or you will do this one? This is very pathetic, very lengthy process, right?
Mhm.
Instead of that, how about if I'm giving the one Impex file to the business, they go and copy paste over there and execute it. Job done.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to understand is if we are writing the code here
Mm-hmm.
in our code base and we are compiling it, that is not going to give it in back office.
Sorry, what's your question again?
So we have written the same code here in our Impex file in our code base, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we build it. We used and to build this whole changes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So won't that give that catalog entry in back office?
Um,
So
no, it's You are talking about something compilation error, runtime error. This is what you are saying.
No, no, no. What I am saying, you explicitly took this code, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You took this code, you imported it in HAC,
Mm-hmm.
and then it was available in the back office, right?
Correct. Correct.
But I am writing this code in my code base, like this file,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is catalog.impex. This
Mm-hmm.
is available in my code base and in the storefront.
Mm-hmm.
And if I am compiling this code, and now if I try to check in back office, won't I get? I have to explicitly do that in HSC. That's what I'm trying to understand.
Yes, you have to do it from the HAC. Yes, you have to go to HAC, copy paste this impacts, and you can do. This is the one way. There's a one more way is there. What you
Mhm.
have to do is you have to give this path to setup file. So there's a one setup file is there. Let me show you. There is a one setup file must be there. SRC initial data. So here you can define your impacts path. Okay, compile it, run it, make your server up. After that, go to HAC. Okay,
So, like if we have 10 different type of catalogs, so for every catalog we will write the code here, import it, and then only it will be available.
yes. So go to HAC, click on update one, it will update your system, everything. I hope I answered your questions.
Mm, you answered, but I am still not clear on that. Okay,
Okay, let me explain
so
in some way.
uh, my purpose is like, then why we are writing it here?
Yes,
Uh,
why we are writing here is that so when we push our code into repository, so this will be available for everyone, entire the team members. This is first.
mhm,
Second
mhm.
is that whenever we have some production release, so that time we can give this impacts to them, and they will run it from the HAC, and it will be available everywhere.
Okay,
Because if you do from the back office, if something is got slipped, then it will not show into the live system, right? Like I have
okay.
given you that example like agio.com or twmwine.com, right? That is
Mhm.
also built into the SAP B2C and B2B. Okay.
Correct.
If you're doing from the back office, so somewhere it will be slipped and it will not displaying over there. So best way is that you have to write your Impex file, okay, put all the entries, everything there, and execute from the HAC. Job done.
Okay.
And if you can open
So to
your
make this available to business, we do this. That,
yes,
that's what you mean to say?
where is the electronics storefront?
Uh, it, it's there in small pattern.
Copy. So whatever you are seeing into the home page, okay, that all data is coming from Impex only. I will show you right now.
Can the end user access HSC in back office?
No, no,
They can just access the storefront, right?
yes. So one very simple question: can you access the back office of Amazon?
No.
No. So you are the end customer, right? Your
Mm.
job is that you go to that Amazon.us or UK and book your products and it will
Search.
deliver. Then support team may, if you have any difficulty, the support team is having all the back office and all that HEC and smart edit access. They will never give you HEC of back office because you may change the price and everything from the back office. Or maybe you can apply some promotions or price is got reduced.
So
So this is
instead of
our,
coding, we can do things from HSC and back office.
yes. So if you can see in our electronics storefront, whatever you are seeing, this all is coming from the impacts only. Impacts in the sense somebody already must done the data modeling for this one catalog version, and in the back end they must be written the controller service facade DAO everything, right? This everything is coming from the storefront, from the sorry, from the impacts. This everything's coming from the impacts. If you want, I will show you right now. So this is our best control C. Go to your IntelliJ, control H, control V. So this must be the impact. So what we will do, we will choose here Java. Okay, I need to type here IMPEX impact. Did you see that? Product carousel. So there are sample data underscore EM. Click on this. Next scroll key down. This is electronic store. CMS responsive content catalog dot en CMS content catalog. So you do one thing. Go into this. Okay. Go back the link. The title it's an EN.
That's a title.
Okay. Now copy this. Okay.
So
Copy.
here content CV is again a macro.
Yes. I will show you. I will show you right now. This is very important actually. First is data modeling, item.xml, and second is this impacts, which is using frequently everywhere. Okay. Now go to this. Okay. Now put your key here, mouse, and say F3. It will take you there. Did you see that? Stage and online. Okay. Now copy this macro, and this is a language specific. Copy this. Control C. Go to your Notepad++. Copy here.
Here if we have written update, it only allows update, it won't allow to insert anything, right?
You can try insert underscore update also. Okay. Now here stage is here, right? And here is the best ceiling, it is there. So what you can do, you can change this stage to online. So it will come for you. Play. Can you type here online? Oh. No, I'm going very fast. Yeah, now you can write O should be caps, rest of things will be small. That's it. Now do replace all. Okay. I'm just giving one quick demo actually. Okay. Now make this 1, 2, 3. As I told you, in the storefront, everything is coming from the Impex only. Okay. So right now you are seeing our best selling products over here. Okay. Now go to HAC, go to console, hover console, click on Impex import. Okay. Put it here, control V, validate this. Okay. Now import this. No error, everything is cool. Now just refresh this. This content must be get changed. It should be coming here, product 1, 2, 3. Did you see that?
Okay.
See, I gave a demo. Okay. So can you open your Paint, Microsoft Paint? Let me quickly give you one more concept for long term. Yes. So it's coming very small. Okay. This is electronics. This is apparel. This is a book. As I showed you, there is a product 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here it would be apparel product 754, whatever. Okay. This is something test book 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have different content catalog, electronics one, apparel one, and book one. And for every catalogs, content catalog, the content will be different, right? For electronics, this will be product 1, 2, 3. For this one, apparel product 754, and for book one, this will be the test book 1, 2, 3. But this all will okay, but this all will comes into the catalog categories, right? This is different content catalog. This is different. This is different. We cannot mix everything in one single content catalog, right? So if you can see in your storefront, this is we have changed through Impex. So into the storefront, Whatever you are seeing over here, that is everything is coming from the Impex only. You can search this all the things you will see, and this all the catalogs are associated with the electronics content catalog. Okay, now if you want to see our catalogs, so what you can do, define here one more item like this. Flash memory is there, no? Define here something 1 2 3 4 or test something, and with that test one, associate your content catalog. So only your contents will display. Why didn't? So you understood this impacts concept. Where is your categories here?
Yes.
Where is your category, this catalog? Now you understood this everything.
So, where are we? Where is the data getting stored when we are
Database,
insert
in database,
database?
yes. What you
Yeah.
can do, you can go to that. Okay, let me run this also. I don't know, will this work or not? Control C.
We are not yet reached into the facade layer.
Not yet actually,
Not
because
yet.
right now you are doing this product modeling and type everything.
Hmm.
Okay, after that we'll go with that flow actually. But
Okay.
as a sample, I have gave you that controller, right? Product page controller, right? How they have written the code base, the same we have to write. We will do some insertion into database through Impex, and this data you have to display into the storefront.
Okay.
Now you can go to this one, type here this valid. Some issues are there, missing unique modifier inside. So something unique value you have to give. You can take it the format from here. Validate. It is valid script now. Import it. Import is done. Now over the console, over the console, go to flexible search. Okay. Type here, select star from curly brace book. Execute. Search result. See, some values came there somewhere. No, it's not there. We need to check what is the issue. Have you updated the system?
Yes.
Publication is there.
It should be in there. It was from last exercise only. It should be in the end.
Publication it is there. Maybe it must be asking some catalog versions and everything. Okay, so that entry we need to make it here. You have to take the format from here. From here, how they have done, or from the categories. This is catalog. EN, See how they have done this. Bookstore, product catalog, classification system they have done. This catalog version is like this. You need to execute this impacts. Then you'll understand more about it. But at least now you understood the concept. Where is that catalog
Yes.
item?
Mm-hmm.
This. So like
All
this, you can make an entry. You have to define some macros, content catalog over here, the format they have done. The same you have to follow. You have to do some more analysis because right now you have all the code base and everything. So you have to go through this all one.
Okay. So these
But
impacts we have to write when we are creating a new bookstore, I
yes,
mean storefront, or it is
we have to
generated.
write. We have to write.
Okay. So as part of preparation, you provided these files, right?
Yes. So into the your instruction.pdf file, you just read the instruction. They are asking you to create one category, create the category. First, you have to run this all the impacts file, everything, create the category, then read the more instruction what they're asking you for insertion updation. So based on that, you can move forward because there is a core data is there. This impacts we have to run, and I'm removing this for time
Yeah.
being, otherwise it will disturb your exercise.
Okay.
Okay.
And that also we have to revert, right? You made it
Item
online.
item item XML. Yeah, this I
Yeah.
reverted already.
Okay. The electronic storefront, you made it online, right?
Yes.
The banner was having 1, 2, 3
Yeah,
text job.
that is the only 2 minute job. We can go to Impex page is there, no? It's already online is there, right? Control A, Control C. Go to this one, console,
So,
import, Impex import. Click over here, copy paste, validate, import. Products 1, 2, 3 is coming here. We'll refresh it. We have run the impact. So here requirement will come, change this contents. Okay. So we can easily change from the back office. But the best way is that we have to do it from the impacts only. Because of there are multiple environments are there and your impact should enable into the every environment. Because you are not supposed to go to every environment to go back office and clicking on the plus icon or modify icon and doing this one. It's very lengthy process, right? Not scheme as it is. See, okay. If you can see, if you can see over here language is EN, English, right? EN. So if you can go to your storefront, this will get changed actually. So the EN is there. We can change into this one, Japanese. So this will get changed into Japanese actually. Making a change into Japanese, what we have to do? So you go to impacts file, the content catalog will be remain same, right? But here you have to change the language called JP, Japan, JP or JY, whatever is there, and you have to execute it. So it will be come into, and here you have to make changes into the text actually, contents. So it will
this
come
you
over.
have to change. It won't change by itself.
No, we have to change
Okay.
here. Here
So
we
how
can
do
change it.
we get that? If I want to change that, I just have to Google and then do it.
So basically, what's happening as per my experience into the project. So Google Translator is not that much reliable. because if you
Okay.
put some content, so some different meaning is coming. So
Right.
what customer is doing nowadays, customer is saying, okay, we will speak to business people, and they will be giving some Excel sheet with all the translation, and that translation we have to use, and we have to copy paste into the impacts, and we have to run.
Oh,
Because
oh,
there are some couple of customer I was working with them. So far, I work with multiple customers, especially North American, British, Japanese, Singapore people. So
oh.
from my understanding, I have done some Google Translator. I have done, but there was some different meanings came there.
Yeah.
So they told me this is not the correct way. So we will provide you the translator, and that keywords I have taken, I copy pasted into the Impex file, and I give it to them.
Okay. So we don't have to worry about it
No,
usually.
customer will give it to us, and customer will be asking to business only.
Okay. So we just have to take the translated data from the like our best selling products. They'll give the
Yes,
translation and we just have to replace it.
correct.
Okay. So that
Okay.
also we will change here and then run the Impex file in
Yes,
HSC.
we have to change over here, okay, in that language, and either we can execute the impacts, or customer will say, okay, I will do at my end. So because at the customer side also developer must be there, so they can do, or customer will say, if you get the more understanding with the customer, good friendship, everything, so customer will say, okay, you do and go to HAC and execute this impacts, job done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. So this was about core data.
This core data, yes.
In the
There is a
sample.
core data is there, and sample. This is the product one. Okay. So now you understood the impacts
Mm-hmm.
concept.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can go through this impacts again. Okay. Because as per my understanding, I have given you the best of best understanding.
Yeah, now I got it.
Yes. So product also it's the same. In the product, you will see the product catalog. Here must be product catalog. Bookstore product catalog must be here. Okay. Now for your exercise, what you have to do, define the catalogs. They have defined the catalogs. Classification system, so they have defined a classification system, this one. Okay. After that, catalog version is there, stage and online. Okay. Classification system is there, 1.0 and everything. Then your text row is there, whatever, that is fine. That is not catalog. En is there. This is, we have did the language specific. We'll go with the English only. Once we have done this one, core data one, then the sample data is there. Go to bookstore. Okay. So here the categories are there. I think it is copied 2 times.
I don't know. I tried to copy it again. Um,
Oh,
but
it's copied
another time.
again. 2 times it is copied. No worries. You can see what the duplication is there. Okay. Now categories are there. Right. So we have in one of the catalog into the code, we have defined this bookstore product catalog, right? Now with this
Mm,
bookstore product catalog, we will associate these categories. Okay, if you can see, click over here, Control F, see yellow part scheme, and this catalog version must be associated with this catalog. Did you see that? This is the with this one, this is with this one, bookstore product catalog. And here you have to define your own category. Now this category is defined over here. After that,
insert category structure. Okay.
okay, for this particular category, we have to define some relationship. I mean to say that particular category is falls under which relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
For example, if you found a comedy, so it should become in this one sections like this.
Mm-hmm. This
So
changes I did actually. I don't know if it went in the other file. So
okay,
I was
so
able
if
to
you
do.
wants to know more about it, just click over here. It will highlight. This is the category.
Okay.
Click over here, it is highlight over here. Click over here, or click over here, it will highlight. Or what you can do, the best way is that, because sometimes what's happening is that it is confusing. We are putting an insert update semicolon. How this is happening? Is
Hmm.
there something is missing, or that sometimes happen white space and everything? The best way is that what you have to do, file, click on file.
So why we cannot have just one entry like in the top one, right? If you scroll up a bit. So
Yeah,
here
they
we are defining the categories. There are two different tables. So one is category and one is having the relationship.
yes. What is the relation? See, this is the one category, right? This all. And this category must be having some relationship, right? So they have done some relationship over here,
It's in a different table. Okay.
right? Like,
Mhm.
how to display, how to say, huh? Okay. We have one family, right? Nowadays we will break the family into that one, in two categories. First is parent one is the family, and down one is the nuclear family and the joint family, right?
Mhm.
Like this we can make a relation with the family with the nuclear family. Understand?
Mhm.
So
Okay.
like this we can make relationship.
Hmm. Mhm.
See, you have to analyze more,
Right.
and you need to connect with the real time example. If you go with the bookish knowledge, no, bookish in the sense electronic storefront job done, right, apparel job done, so you will little bit struggle. The If you can make a relationship with the more nearby surroundings, so you'll understand more. If you can see, I am not picking up the bookish something, I'm picking up something which is nearby.
Mhm.
Right now in front of me coffee is there, so I will put the my category will be category will be liquid. Okay, inside that I am putting the coffee, tea, or cappuccino, something like this. And for
Mhm.
this I will build some data modeling. First I will define the product for this liquid as a product. After that I will classify this into coffee or cappuccino or hot chocolate. For this I will classify this one like this. So I am giving you this all the example on the fly, right?
Mhm.
You can give me any scenario, I can build the entire product modeling for that one, right? How I have done this, because we have to understand the concept. After understanding the concept, we have to relate with the real time examples,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? So for example, uh, uh, I don't know which city or downtown you're staying. So there also you can make some category. We can make a category by road wise, by house wise. Like this, you
Hmm.
can make a category. So the more you will connect to the real time example, the more concept will get clear actually,
Right.
and the more you believe the bookish knowledge, and your doubt always be there.
Mhm.
So I will recommend you plus suggest you go with the first understand technical things, like what is the category. Okay, this is the category is there, like crime, horror. For this category we have to associate some other category. For this we have to make some relationship like this. Once we have done this job, then we have to understand this classification system. These all are the macros actually. Macros means indefined data. Why this indefined data? Because if everywhere, if you are going to type this big text here, so it will be taking the much space actually, right? Better we can put some short name like a macros over here. So classification system is scheme with the language and everything, bookstore classification. Now we associate some here with that catalog version. When this is done, the classification classes must be there. This one all like dimension and digital. So you have to go through that UML diagram, and based on that you can do the understanding
Mhm.
like this. See, so they must be asking you to add one category. Okay. After that, they will be asking you to add some attribute. Means they already made the script into the preparation one. You need to
Mhm.
execute. You have to understand this. After that, you have to run it from the Impex file. This is EN. This is the
Yes,
language. Language is now. Yeah, please tell me.
These duplicate ones I can simply delete, right?
Sorry?
The duplicate ones here, whatever files I'm seeing, I can simply delete them.
You can delete it, no problem. So you already have backup, right? Lab tools,
Yes,
that
I.
thing. If something is that lab, you can copy paste from there, right? So
Okay.
category underscore en, it is there, right? See, update they have used here.
So
So
in between,
now
if I see a blank, that means I'm not giving any value, right? So in the first entry, there
here
is
no
just
value. If you can click over here,
it's an empty value
and so let's see what is
version.
empty. Let's see what is empty. The code is there. So for
Mm,
code, this amount is highlighted. Now
correct.
category version. This is coming the macros. For this name, this is coming like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Got it? So
Mm.
here you should ask one question. Everywhere we have used the insert and update, we can use like this also.
So, yeah,
Insert underscore update. We can use like this also. So why they have used update only?
because they don't want to insert anything.
No, we
Maybe.
already inserting, right? One second. Okay. So they have used this update only. They did not use the insert and everything. So you have to do some R&D on this. I will give you answer for this. I will just
Mm.
give you a hint. There's the biggest role of this unique is equals to true. This is the one role is there for this one. So you can do the R&D at your daytime. Okay. So this is the one thing you have to do. After that, classification units. See,
So what
yeah.
was the question you asked that why we are giving
I
only
ask you.
update
I ask
instead
you
of
question.
insert
I
update?
ask you question is, if we can achieve the job with insert underscore update,
Mm-hmm.
so why they are using update only? There must be some reason, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So we can achieve from the insert underscore update. So why we need this? So this is the one question for you. You can answer tomorrow. Okay. So classification unit is there. Okay. This is there. This. So how they have added this everything, you have to add in the same way into your instruction dot PDF file. But before adding this, you should understand this. Category is there. What is this category relationship and everything? Now, how you will understand this? Double click on this. Say Control H. Okay. Now I don't want to go with the Impex. I will go. There must be some data modeling must be there. So data modeling means XML. Okay, this is came here. Okay, now I will go into this one. I will understand this one. I will understand this one. Okay, so they are making some relationship. So it means here is they have made source as a super category and the target is here category. So now you can go back to this one. Yeah. So if you can see, they have defined the categories over here, right? Code. Okay, this one. And they somehow they make this as super category and now they associate with this one. See?
Mm-hmm.
Or they're defining some other super category also over here. Because see, this was super category. If you, how I understand is that I have selected this, I done the control H, I gone to data modeling, and what I have seen here, they are doing some mapping, super category and categories over here, like many to many. Did you see that? And the collection type is a list only,
Mm-hmm.
right? And they define the order is equals to true. So you have to do more and more R&D on this. So then only you will understand the more concept about it. Once you understood this, so your rest of journey will be very cool.
Mhm. So if I am making changes in these files as per the instructions, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so if I want to see the mm, changes,
Mm-hmm.
so I have to go in HSC and update. I
Yes.
mean, I
Here,
don't need to and
no,
build, right?
for this and key knowledge is not required because you are not doing any code changes, right? Right
It's not
now.
Java changes.
Yeah, you are not doing any Java changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you are just writing some SQL script. SQL script means Impex script, right? There
Mm-hmm.
you're performing the insertion updation, right? Like I have gave you an example, like where is that? You here. I
Mm.
just made this an online version. Here I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I
Yeah.
executed from the HEC and I can see into the storefront. Here I am not making any Java changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I did not made any item.xml. So no need to update the system also. We can directly see, we can see the changes into storefront or home pages.
Okay. So in
Okay.
that case, I will just uh, copy that Impex file and execute. Import
Yes.
in
Yes.
HS.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So yes. So this is how you can do the all the exercise for 3.1.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See,
Okay.
why
If,
I have expanded this topic to the impacts one, no? Because this impacts is frequently it is using, right? So, for example,
would you mind to just do one change here, like adding that mystery thing, and then
no, you have to do.
no, I did that. I don't
Okay,
know why I'm not able to see that file. If you can just check in the categories Impex, the other one.
sure, I will check it. So right now, for example, you have done the data modeling for this book one, right?
Mhm.
So now what requirement is came, you have to do some insertion for this, and the insertion we can do it from the impacts file. So for this we have done some insertion, for this we have done some insertion. Okay.
Correct.
Once we have insert this, then I will ask you to go to storefront.
Mhm.
Let me change this language. Okay. So you make an entry into the book model in that publication and that edition one. So I will ask you key that you have to show your content that 1, 2, 3, 4 next to or before this our best selling product here you have to display. So you will be writing the controller service facade DAO, and into the DAO you will be writing select star from this table and the configuring inside the variables, and then you will be writing the populator it will display over here. Once you done this exercise, you almost cover the 50% SAP Hybris Commerce.
That that will come later, right?
Yes.
You are just
So
telling. Okay.
yeah,
Mm.
I'm just telling you, but I
Mm.
will give very simple exercise I will give you. After once you done this product modeling, everything, I will give one simple exercise. So I'm just telling you in the advance, you can think about it. So this is your login page. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, what I do, I give people very simple things. I never give the complications. No. Unnecessary, why to make the things complicated? Okay. So what you have to do once you done this product modeling everything, okay, find this data modeling for this one. Okay, title, first name, last name, everything. Okay, this must be the user model, right?
Mm-hmm.
This must be user model, right?
Oh, yeah.
I will be asking you add here one more attribute called business name. here. This is already ready-made Impex JSP file is there, right? Already controller, facade, service, DAO must be there. So I will be asking you add here one more attribute. Okay, let me. Can you take a
You will want to
screenshot?
add one more
Yes.
field
Can
for
you take a
that.
screenshot for this?
Yes.
Can you take screenshot? Yes. Very nice. That's it. Yeah. Control C, copy. And can you open this into the MS Paint? Yeah. If you want, you can save it somewhere. You can put here product types. Here, Control V. Yes. Now wait. Okay. Now, okay. What I will be doing here, I will be asking you. One second. Okay. Come out here. Okay. I will be asking you. Okay. Add here one more tags called business name with this content and with this one. One more attributes you have to add here. Like this, I will be asking you. And this will be the user model,
Okay.
right? Instead of doing something over here, first we will modify the existing one. Okay. So user model, Control H, user. User. What I will do, I will take it like this. Control C, Control H, Control V. One second. Product name not expand. You want to make this much. Okay. Here it must be something like this. Use Control A, Control C. Go to over here. Control H, Control V. Yes.
User group.
Item code. AutoCAD equals to 2. First name, last name. No, this is not the table.
User group.
No, this is. So you must be finding the first name, last name somewhere. So there are 10 matches are there. User restrictions, user rights, user.
Password.
So somewhere current date. Yes, if you can see, yeah, we uh, got it from here, core item.xml. So if you can see here the current item, qualifier name, current date, okay, and the qualifier, shipping address, payment address, display name, password, with the user, and customer password reset. So first name. So you can find it out from here also, this text, first name, last name, password, and this. So what you have to do, add here one more attribute, for example, business name with a text box and everything. Then you have to extend this user model, like you have extended the product model, and define your new attribute, business name, and then you're going to change into controller, facade, service, and DAO like this. This is the next exercise apart from the instruction.pdf actually. You can try from your end. If you do, then it is good. If not, then I'm going to guide you this all the flow and everything. Okay. So once you have done this one, added the new attribute, then I'm going to ask you. Yes. Then I'm going to ask you this item books to item.xml. So once you have added this attribute, then I will ask you design some very fresh JSP page with this book edition publication and do some insertion over there with controller, facade, service, and DAO. First, we will modify the existing one, then we will go with the new one. Okay. So here in SAP Commerce, data modeling is very important part, and Impex is very important, and the flexible search query and everything is pretty much same, like we are writing that SQL query. Okay, data modeling, product modeling, impacts is, and that our full flow, controller, facade, service, and DAO. That's it. Okay, categories and this all is done, classification. So you have to execute. Okay, where your categories dot impacts file?
Can you check in the second one? If you go down,
Let me search
I
it out.
made an entry here too. This
Okay,
is the
this one.
relation, and I had that entry in the above one too.
Okay.
I don't know. It did not get saved or something like that.
Here only one matches here, so I think you need to add here
Yeah, we have to add above. I
above.
did
Yes.
that. It went. I don't know. After
So
horror.
yes.
uh,
So what you can do, just copy this, make it very clean. Here, lots of things are here, right? Lots of things are here. What you can do, copy this line, copy this line over here,
mm,
and then make it very simple and very easy. First, you have to type here this pixel size 3.1, I guess. I'm
right.
not sure. You can
Yes.
see. Copy this. Now you understand the what happened to this. Copy, paste it here. See, now you're pretty much familiar with the impacts concepts, right?
Mhm.
So, category is there. Which category need to add? Mystery one, right?
Right.
So, you already kept it here, mystery, right? Go over here, click, put semicolon, control V, mystery. Click over here, History is same. See, code is same. Rest of we don't need this, right? Here is the customer group is here. That is, we don't have to put any entry right now. Our exercise is right now for the product classification,
That's it.
the categories and everything.
Hmm.
Okay, make it more clean actually. Now you have added this one line, right?
So is it fine if I add like this?
Yeah,
This. Okay.
make it more clean actually. Put like this. Where is your ones? Put it here, right? You have added this line, right? Oh, yeah. Oh. Going very fast. Yeah, kept here. Remove this. So it will be very clean exercise for you.
So we can have multiple insert update for the same
Yeah,
table.
we can
Okay.
have it. Right? As per the exercise, they're asking you to add new category. I have added. Now they're asking you to make a relationship with this one. So mystery with
That's
this one.
that's it.
Then copy this, go to HAC, execute it, verify from the back office or verify from the query, select star from category like this. Is the
Uh,
categories came or not? After that, once you verify that my mystery it is came here,
mhm.
now you have to write one join. Okay, you have to write a join for this one category and category relationship because as per the item.xml they have done some mapping for this, right? Many to many. So
Mhm.
so you have to get put the joins like this. This is like a more advanced. This is not the part of exercise. I'm just telling you. So you will
Okay.
understood how to put the joins also. For example, we can say category. You can say select star from category. Okay. Then we already have done the on this. Impacts must be there. Okay. Now there is a source, super category is there,
Mhm.
and category is there, categories. Okay. Now,
Isn't that relation already defined?
yes, this is already there out of the box, existing one. If I'm going to
Okay.
type, if I'm going to write something, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am not
You're gonna
allowed
add.
actually, right? This is already defined over there. Okay, super categories are there and categories are there.
So
So now
super
what?
categories we have fiction and non-fiction, right?
Yes,
In category we have
yes,
added mystery. So the relation will automatically get established.
correct. So now we have to put some joins for this one. So what you have to do, if you want to know, so you can take the reference from the existing one. See, sometimes what's happened is that we don't know. I'm just giving you the one more trick here for fixing your problem in the real time. Sometimes we don't know how to put the joins and for SAP Hybris Commerce, the information also not available into the Google or some other platform. So what you do, say Control H, okay, and you know joins are there, so it must be into the Java file, into DAO layer, or it must be the Impex file. So no need to go with the XML one, right? So
Mhm.
we'll put it over here, super categories, right? Then first we can search it out in the Impex file, clicking over here, right? Drag little bit up, click over here, okay? Now scroll key, okay? Make it expand like this, okay? Put it into the center. Now we'll quickly find the join query for this. Somewhere something must be written. Super categories we have kept it here like this. Oh. Insert category we again kept this categories product. categories, elections, categories, categories, target. There is one more super category. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. It must be somewhere because they have made some relationship, right? So instead of that, you can go to this also. We added the category. So you can search like this very quickly. Make an entry over here. And see in the code base how they are writing this, everything you can see. Okay, this is how you can search very quickly.
So, isn't this the relation that is defined?
Sorry?
Uh, uh, this XML, doesn't this signify the relationship between the two columns?
Yes. You can see super categories and this category. This is the source and this is the target categories.
And you have cardinality defined many to many, right?
Yes. This is how they have made some relationship also. Okay.
Mhm.
So now next is where is that? Can you click on this Impex category dot Impex? Seems like it's freezed from my end. Yes. Okay. So we have defined somewhere that it's fresh one, no? That three. Yes.
So,
Okay. So once you understood the impacts and everything, so you can make it a clean like this. So it will be easy for you to understanding the more.
yeah, I did not know that you can have multiple entries for.
Yeah, we can make an entry on this.
Okay.
So how we can make the entry for this multiple? There are some reason. Insert, update, and this is a unique is equals to true. Okay. Try to do some experiment. Go to HAC. Okay. And
Mhm.
try to remove this unique is equals to true or make it something false or do and see what's the error exception is coming.
So if
Okay.
I want to check these updates, I just have to copy this changes.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
I can go in HSE console
HAC.
and
Yes.
import, validate first, and then import and check.
Yes. Yes. So
Mhm.
whenever you are into the HEC, because of sometime what's happened, no, people are very excited and they just click on the import script. Don't do
Mm.
this. Always do first
Validate.
validate and see whatever errors are coming. Understand that error, resolve this. Once the resolution is done, then click on the import script.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
So today we have covered almost very heavy topic, impacts, flexible query, console, and I have given one demo also that we have changed that on the fly product 1, 2, 3, right? And
Yeah.
fourth point is that I told you that into storefront, can you click on this Chrome browser? Seems like my control is on.
Mm.
Can you go up little bit?
On the same page.
Yeah. Can you click on this B2C accelerator above one? Okay. So as I told you, this all the data, this is coming from the Impex only. Okay, so if we can hover power supplies something of flash memory, so it's a concept is same. Here we are making the category as a mystery, super category as a fiction. So here will be the super category like a memory, or subcategory will be the flash memory, like this. The concept is the same. So because of this exercise, you will understand this also and all. You can click on flash memory if you want. Click on it. So if you can see in this, uh, one second. Can you give me control again?
Yes.
Okay. One more important thing. So in the SAP Hybris, this is called the breadcrumb. This is,
Breadcrumb.
yes, breadcrumb.
What I mean, this MS Pro SD, whatever is coming, that is called.
Yes, this is the breadcrumb. Yes. So if we click on this one, data storage. And now if you want to search this, uh, can you can you copy this flash memory?
Mm,
One second, let me click on this. Then from the breadcrumb, you can copy this. Yeah. Can you copy from the breadcrumb flash memory?
this thing.
Yeah. No, no, only flash memory, only one contents. Full flash memory. Yeah. Control C. Yeah. Go to your IntelliJ. Yeah. Good. Say here Control H and paste it here. Remove this space. Yes. Did you see that in the first one? Click on that first one itself. See, flash memory scheme, right? And go a little bit up. More up, more up. Yeah, wait. See how they have defined this classification attribute and everything, right? The same. This is what is happening to the storefront. So with this exercise, you will understand this all also.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay. So one,
As I
two.
as I told you, in the storefront, everything is coming from the Impex. So demo is in front of you.
Mm,
Got it?
mhm. Okay. So there are one, two, three, four. Four fields we are updating here.
Yes.
Attributes.
So if you want to understand more about it, copy this two-line flash memory, copy the insert update in some different impacts, break the things and understand the concept more.
Mm-hmm.
Because up scrolling up and down, this will be very time consuming, right? So
Yes.
take that line insert update, copy it in some other impacts and analyze that.
Mm-hmm.
If you understand one line, the rest of line you will understand automatically,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
right?
Okay. And
Mhm.
this is the same one, right? This file is there, right?
Yes, I guess this is out of the box.
Okay, we don't have to do anything in that. This provides with some kind of system.
There are multiple exercise I have, which I have created, I have designed. So once you
Mm,
done this, see, once you understand the data modeling, impacts, flexible query, After that, your rest of journey will be very cool actually. Because see, controller you must be aware of, Java controller, right?
Yes.
Service you must be aware of, DAO you must be aware of. Yeah, right. So
Mm-hmm.
for you, the working area will be facade layer, converter and populator. Rest of things will be same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like in Java, we have to write query into the DAO layer. The same here we can do. A little bit syntax will be different. We have to use the curly brace like this, but rest of things will be same. So your working area will be facade layer only, especially converter and populator. That's it. JSP knows very well, and of course, once we have done this one, then we will move to CMS component. I mean to say that WCMS means Web Content Management System. So
Yes.
once you have done this one flow, then I will ask you go to home page and display and show me that one video page over there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So we will go step by step. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then we are done with this today's session. Okay.
Mm.
And I will be requesting you tomorrow, please complete this exercise,
Yes.
product modeling one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you
I'm
know,
sorry. I mean, I was not able to understand, so I could not do that. I tried understanding from my end, but
but now you understood, right? Almost.
yes. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Because impacts is very important.
Mm-hmm.
What I have seen is that most of people they complete their work in the live project. How they are doing? Copy paste and everything. But if any error is coming into the HAC, they are not able to fix it. Why? Because their concept is not clear. Yes, they are doing all the changes. They are fixing everything. But one problem is coming, we should able to resolve, right?
Mm-hmm. So,
Okay, then tomorrow.
just one question
Mhm,
in your preparation folder. This
mhm.
is also there, right? So this you have written or it was already there? Practice categories.
Then you can check this. Okay, in the preparation. See,
Okay.
can you? Yeah, you can check it. See, we have added the uh, two directories, right? Uh, that
Code and sample.
bookstore product content catalog, core and sample.
Yeah. This was I think in sample. This doesn't show. These are all Impex. I don't know from where this came. So I can delete this, right?
Yes. So you already have backup, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
It
because
has multiple structure. This is not the right structure. Should
yes,
I have
you
bookstore
can
product
do.
catalog
But
under
you
that?
yeah, what you can do, delete this book store product catalog. Can you minimize this expandation? Yes. Delete this and copy paste from there to here. That's it.
Sample data, right?
Yes.
This one.
Yes. First
And
delete and copy paste there.
keep this as it is.
Yeah, rest
Right?
of will be as it is.
Okay.
That's what I did not disturb the existing one. So if something is gone wrong. So only bookstore content catalog directory will plus and minus.
Okay. So should I
Mhm.
delete this?
Yeah, delete this. Okay. Now what you can do if you want to go with a very clean approach, copy
Yeah.
this package directory, copy this, control C. No, 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 not like this. Right click.
Yeah, I copy.
We don't have to copy the text. Actually, we have to copy the data.
Yes.
Okay, Control C and go back to your IntelliJ, please. Okay,
Okay.
now into the sample data, right click on this. Yeah, now wait. Now find into open in somewhere into System Explorer somewhere. It must be there.
Showing Explorer.
Yes,
Okay.
show in Explorer. Click on this. It will take you the your directory. Did you see that? Can you see? Book to initial data, import and everything. So inside this sample data, go into this one, sample data, go into this one and copy paste here. Your That's it. Now go back to your IntelliJ and just don't refresh it, just synchronize it.
Now it's
Right?
there.
So there are the two ways are there. Either you can directly copy paste into the IntelliJ or right click on that, show in Explorer and
Okay.
copy paste it there.
That is safer to do.
Hmm.
Okay. Right.
But Madhvi, tomorrow you have to finish this exercise, product modeling one.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, then we will catch up tomorrow. If you have any doubts, so you can make your notes and you can ask me. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Okay then.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.